Yo, what's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to my zoo. Today I got a little helper. Look, Maddie, are you my little helper today?
Yeah.
You can go play with the bunnies. You wanna go play with bunnies?
Yeah.
Go play with the bunnies. What? The tree? What's wrong with the tree? Go play with the bunnies. Go play with the bunnies. There's nothing wrong with the tree. Oh, the tree that fell over? It's okay. Go play with the bunnies. Go play with Turbo. Actually, Turbo wants me to move him.
Move it?
Ready? I'm going to move Turbo. Come on, Turbo. You want grass? Over here. Grass is over here. Actually, no. No. Come on, Turbo, this way. This way to the grass. To the grass.
And it up.
Okay, done. Okay, he's right there. Mocha's right there. Okay, you can play with him. Today, I cleaned this side of the shed. Move your phone, Maddie. I'm trying to record. I got this. Dual vlogging. What's up, guys? Dual vlogging. What the heck happened to the back? Here's your phone, Maddie. Call somebody. But I cleaned this part of the shed. All the dirt's like right here. Look. And I didn't move the name tag from Snowball, because if you remember, Snowball was in the other 10-gallon aquarium, because I have two 10-gallon tanks. So, Snowball's name tag is still on that tank. And, well, Snowball's okay. He's right there. There he is. He doesn't have his name tag, obviously. There's Furball. There he is. Now, if you think it's weird or mean for me to grab a mouse by its, hang on, let me grab him, by his tail, you don't hold them by their, well, yeah, because you don't pick a mouse up like this. This is not how you pick up a mouse. Watch. You do not pick them up like that. You pick them up by their tail. You grab them by their tail, and then they'll grab onto your finger if you give it to them, and open a palm. So what I do is I grab them by the tip of their tail and not fling them, but hang them and then pull them up, and well, he took his tail away from me, but I hold his tail and I do that. But here's Furball. If you guys can see, that spot right there is going away nicely. So these are my two males, and then one of my females, Ava. I moved out here. Her name tag is somewhere. It's on her lid, I think. Oh no, here it is. Here's Ava and her babies. There's Ava's little face. There she is. Where is she going? Oh, there she is. Got her. Release it. Got her. Stop, Maddie. Here she is. She kind of looks fat. I swear to God, she's pregnant again. I don't even have her with my males. And she's getting fat, and I'm not happy with that. But there she is. She's fine. Her babies are right there. There's her babies. All 11. All these little bundles. Those white spots are still there. They're growing their hair in. Eyes and ears are still closed. But they're all doing great. But come on, come on, Madison. We're gonna go get Bella and her babies.
My babies?
Bella's babies and Bella,
Babies?
and we'll see you guys then.
What's them?
Okay.
Where's that broom?
Okay.
Madison.
So now,
Madison,
watch out.
go get the dustpan.
Guys, like, come on.
Stop.
There's Bella now. And we got our little rascals are right here.
Thank you.
Mine. No, mine.
And their eyes are still closed. Their ears are opening. I'll clean it up later. Get out. This is a white one. This is a
Where's the garbage can?
over there.
Baby.
Oh my gosh, I swear I saw an eye open. Guess not. Okay. So they're all Bella, and then we got
Don't put that in your hair, Madison.
Ava and her babies. And then we got the boys, Snowball and Furball. And I'll see you guys
They can't get out of the drawer, right?
when you come. Gotta go. Peace.